So you've got a new hire and they have the right attitude, but they need to upgrade their skills. Stay tuned because I'm going to share a little bit more about what the Sandvik website has to offer you. Let's check it out. Today I'm on the Sandvik website. When you first load up, it's going to look much like this. They've got some drop downs here. Now they've got a lot of power here. This is why I'm slowly breaking it down in small, short videos. You can digest it piece by piece. What I want to direct your attention to is actually here, just to the side of my head. What would you like to do today? You can find a tool, calculate data, all kinds of things are available to you. I want to talk about this one, learn machining. And then the first option right here, the e-learning center. Everything that's in it has been extremely valuable to me in my career. Even as a journeyman machinist, when I first discovered this after 15 years running machines, I still walked away with new bits of information that made me more effective on the shop floor. If you're wondering if the people you've had for a couple years in your plant would benefit from partaking in this education, I definitely think they would. As long as they've got an open mind and they're willing to consider what they might have been taught wasn't the best practice. Let's walk through what registering would actually look like in case you're curious. Put in a new email that I'm not currently registered under. 11 plus 9, 20. Yes, I will save. Almost done. Now at this point, you're going to check your email inbox. So here's the email. Now they have a lot of options available here, which is actually great in the multicultural world we operate in, that there are other languages available to select, because that means even if English isn't their native tongue, they still have options for their training that may better meet their learning needs. Once you finish your registration, I always love to give my feedback. So once you're signed in, you're going to click up over there onto the knowledge section. You're going to scroll down, free online training. Then you're going to start the e-learning. You can also do an assessment test as you saw there, but we're going right from scratch. It's going to give you a bunch of descriptions and you can get an idea of everything that Sandvik takes the time to cover in this e-learning. This is a great way to help upgrade the skill level of anyone on the shop floor. When you're complete, you'll actually get a certificate that you can print off to show that the work's been done. Seriously, I mean, look at all of those options. Taking time out of our busy schedules to go to a post-secondary education institution like the local BCIT is always awesome. We don't always have the time in our day or our schedules to put that in. The way that Sandvik's broken it down here with all of these e-learning modules, they are now bite-sized portions that are easy for your new hires, existing hires, and future hires to be able to upgrade their skill set. Thanks for learning a little more what's available for free at your fingertips. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.